Hi, my name is Ashley Gorlitz, and this is my production of the L6 assignment for autism. Okay, looking here, it says list all the three strategies how we would find to help Jack. So for Jack, first step is to define what is autism spectrum disorder, so that everyone, parents and teachers included, get a proper understanding of what it is that the child has. How will the strategy support Jack's needs? It'll define what Jack has. What Jack has will better help the teachers and the parents know what areas to aid him in. Is this strategy research-based? Yes. The following is stated from Safety, Nutrition, and Health in Early Education by Kathy Robertson. ASD falls into three categories: autism disorder, Asperger's syndrome, and pervasive developmental disorder. Typically, autistic disorder is thought as a disorder that presents difficulty in verbal and nonverbal communication and an inability to carry out normal social interactions and play activities. Having Asperger's syndrome is which the person is high functioning but exhibits idiosyncrasies in social skills. By Robertson, page 464. And knowing that verbal communication is a weak area will give the teachers a picture of how to adjust teaching style to Jack's student. Second strategy is to start speaking to the parents and build a team of specialists. Talking to the parents will be important to finding out Jack's diagnosis for the teachers. Yes, this is research-based. It is stated in Safety, Nutrition, and Health in Early Education that the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, IDEA, provides the intervention to create a team for those children with chronic health conditions who qualify. The Individualized Family Service Plan, IFSP, is the vehicle for the team, and the children who do not qualify for IDEA will probably need extra support from teachers, families, and the child's physician. From Robertson, page 482. And so it's important to build the kids' team so that Jack gets extra support from his teachers, specialists, and family. Third and final strategy, get Jack involved with specialists as soon as possible. Getting Jack involved with support soon will help him better his chances of having a greater outcome for his educational experience. Yes, this is research-based. As it's stated in the text Safety, Nutrition, and Health in Education by Kathy Robertson, one thing is certain: early diagnosis is critical because the sooner the intervention and treatment occur, the better the chance the child has of functioning at the highest level possible. Children can be diagnosed as young as 18 months and should be able to be diagnosed by age 2 years. Many children are not diagnosed with ASD until they are older, which misses every early critical intervention. By Robertson, page 467. And so it's crucial that kids like Jack get diagnosed early on. And there's my presentation. Thank you.